For business owners, artists, or anyone else looking to promote their brand, QR codes are a great tool. And at OnlineLabels, we have a free generator tool to help you create one. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to generate your own QR codes. To find the generator tool, just follow the link in the description or go to OnlineLabels.com and navigate to Designs and Templates, then click Business Tools. Here, we have a bunch of other business tools you can use, but scroll down to Label Generators and click on the QR code generator. Once you're there, just choose a content type. You can link to your contact information, phone number, email address, SMS, a URL, or even just add plain text. Then, just input your data. From there, you can choose whether you want the code to be small, medium, or large. Consider going smaller if you'll be printing these on small stickers, or go larger if you want it to be visible and scannable from farther away. Now that you have your QR code image, you're ready to print it. If you need them on labels or stickers, we've got you covered. You can go on Maestro Label Designer to design your label with your QR code, or send your design to us and let us print it for you. You can try out our other business tools too, which are all free to use. You can generate any code, get printable PDFs, business calculators, and more. And of course, you can buy blank and custom labels, die-cut stickers, and more right there at OnlineLabels.com. So check it out and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.